Many students memorize types of errors but still get confused in exam when a difference is given. That's because they don't know how to use the difference. In this video, I'll show you how to identify the error logically using the trial balance difference. In this video, you will learn why trial balance may not match, how difference helps identify the error, which errors affect trial balance, which errors do not affect trial balance. By the end of this video, you will be able to look at the difference and immediately guess the error. Trial balance is equals to total debits minus total credits. Trial balance is just a checking tool. If totals don't match, it means something went wrong in recording or posting. But remember, one very important thing, not every error affects trial balance. That's why difference is our starting point, not random checking. Errors that affect trial balance, errors that do not affect trial balance. First, we divide errors into just two groups. One group changes debit or credit totals, the other group does not change totals. This one step alone removes 50% of confusion. Errors that affect trial balance, error of casting. Error of casting, wrong totaling, wrong addition. Casting error means wrong addition, not debit or credit confusion. This error happens mostly in accounts with many figures. Difference is equals to actual mistake amount. If difference looks small and odd, suspect casting error. Let me explain that properly. Ask yourself one simple question. Is the difference something like 50, 100, 200? If yes, it usually means someone added a column wrongly, especially purchase book, sales book, or cash book. So, before checking theory, recheck totals first. Error of commission, posted to wrong side, posted with wrong amount. This error happens when the entry is made, but it is made incorrectly. The transaction exists, but posting is wrong. Difference is equals to double the amount. If debit should increase, but instead credit increases, one side goes down and the other goes up. So the mistake happens twice. That's why the difference becomes double the amount. When difference is exactly double, this error is very likely. Error of partial omission. Error of one side recorded, other side missing. Here, the entry is recorded only on one side. One amount is correct, the other is missing. Difference is equals to original amount. Here, only one side affects trial balance, so difference equals the missing amount. Errors that do not affect trial balance. Error of complete omission. Transaction not recorded at all. If a transaction is completely missed, both debit and credit are missing. So, totals will match. Trial balance will match. If you think trial balance matching means books are correct, this error proves that assumption wrong. Trial balance checks math, not correctness. Error of principle. Wrong type of account. Capital expenditure recorded as revenue or vice versa. Debit and credit are correct, but account type is wrong. Trial balance will match, profit will be wrong. This error is dangerous in real life. Books may match, but profit and tax will be wrong. That's why accountants are paid not just to tally totals. So, in this video, we learned the types of errors. If a random difference, that is casting error, double difference, that is wrong side posting. If there is an error, even if the trial balance matches, then it is error of omission or error of principle. Use this difference as your guide. Difference itself gives you the clue. This is the same logic I use while cleaning real business books. Understand this difference and you will never fear trial balance again. If you understand why an error happens, you will never forget it. And if you are a small business owner who needs help with bookkeeping, fill out the Google form linked in the description and we will reach out to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Accountant's Desk for more simple and practical accounting videos. Thank you for watching.